A man came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, Ya Rasulullah, who is the best of people? He said, Man tala umruh wa hasuna amaluh. The one who had a long life and a good amal. He said, Wa ayyu sharr nas? And who is the evil, the worst of people? He said, Man tala umruh wa sa'a amaluh. The one who has a very long life, but the longer he lives, the worse he gets. So today is the best person is the person that has a long life and a good amal. My beloved brothers and sisters, wallahi, I want you to think just for a second. We are literally on a journey to a destination, either Jannah or Nar. There's no other choice. Every moment that passes by, every breath that I breathe, it's bringing me closer to whatever destination it is. So the smart one, the wise one, is the one who takes advantage as much as he can of that short period of time. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hid. Allah did not tell us when we are going to die. Can you imagine when you are born, can you imagine the day you're born, you have also your death certificate. Yani, you're born October 6, and then at the same day that you're born, you will be told you will die December 7 and 2038. Everybody. Can you imagine how miserable that life would be? This year it's me, next year is my mother, last year is my cousin, in a few months is my uncle. Life will be miserable. Miserable. If Allah told us when we are going to die, life will be miserable. Miserable. And it will be corrupt. Oh, I have this much time, yallah. Subhanaka Rabbi. So the hikmah of hiding the time of death. So we have only very limited time. It could be few seconds, it could be 10, 15 years, Allahu A'lam. So the smart one is the one who take advantage of this time, and if Allah gave him a long life, she must fill them with good amal. Because this is the only thing that counts on the day of judgment. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hadith we all know, اغتنم خمسا قبل خمس. Take advantage of 5 before 5. Take advantage of your youth before you get old. Take advantage of your health before you get sick. Take advantage of your wealth before you get poor. Take advantage of your spare time before you get preoccupied. And take advantage of your life before death. Take advantage, ya akhi. Every single day there's a janazah. What makes me and you feel that, it's not us? What makes me and you feel that it's not us next? Wallahi, akhwan, maybe you see the statements are being repeated, but this is the fact. This is the fact, and we are so involved in dunya matters that we forget that tomorrow is the day, khalas, tomorrow is my janazah. So, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us that if you have a long life and good amal, you are among the best of people, which makes sense, because the longer I live, if I am a person that used to a lot of dhikr, a lot of Quran, a lot of charity, a lot of fasting, a lot of salat, the longer my life is, the longer the better and the more good amal I have. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam also told us, if you want your life to be extended, how can I get my life extended? Anybody knows? من أراد يصل رحمة. Connect with your relatives. Keep the kinship. This is one of the tools that Rasulullah ﷺ told us, that if you want to have a long life, connect with your family members. Ask Allah Azza wa Jal, Ya Allah, give me a long life and a good amal. Do not leave it, just give me a long life. Very common in the Khalij, طال عمرك يا شيخ. No, طال عمرك is not good. Anytime you see them in the Khalij, they say, طال عمرك يا مولانا. May Allah give you long life. This is not allowed. It has to be said, طال عمرك وحسن عملك. When you make dua for someone, you got to let them know, may Allah give you long life and a good amal. Because if you tell them, may Allah give you long life, what if this guy is a horrible guy? So the longer the life is, the worst his destination would be. So when we say to someone, طال عمرك, we have to say with it, may Allah give you a long life and a good amal. May Allah give us all a long life and a good amal, and may Allah make our last deeds, our best deeds, and our last words, La ilaha illallah.